Welcome back to Amazon's Service of the Week series. Today we're covering Amazon S3 Glacier, the ideal solution for long-term, low-cost storage of your data. Whether you need to archive large datasets, store compliance data, or securely back up important files for years, S3 Glacier ensures that you can do it affordably without compromising durability. Let's explore how S3 Glacier works and why it's essential for your cloud storage strategy. Let's talk about its key features. First is ultra-low-cost storage. The S3 Glacier is designed for low-cost archival storage, with prices as low as $0.004 per gigabytes per month. It's perfect for data that doesn't need to be accessed frequently, but still needs to be kept safe. Second is durability and security. Just like S3, Glacier offers 11 nines of durability, ensuring that your data is safe for the long term. Plus, your data is encrypted at rest by default, giving you peace of mind that it's secure. The third feature is flexible retrieval options. Depending on how quickly you need your data back, Glacier provides multiple retrieval options, from expedited retrieval in minutes to standard retrieval within hours, and bulk retrieval for large datasets. Some of the use cases for Glacier are long-term data archiving, S3. Glacier is perfect for archiving large volumes of data that you don't need to access regularly. Think about industries like healthcare, finance, or government, where regulatory compliance requires data to be stored for decades. Second is disaster recovery backups. Another common use case for Glacier is disaster recovery. You can back up critical business data to Glacier as part of your disaster recovery strategy, ensuring that you can recover your data even in the worst-case scenario. Let's compare it with S3 Standard. Cost versus retrieval time. While S3 Standard is designed for frequent access, S3 Glacier is built for long-term storage at a fraction of the cost. The trade-off is retrieval time. Glacier data isn't immediately accessible but can be retrieved within minutes or hours, depending on the option you choose. Second is data access needs. If you need instant access to your data, S3 Standard or S3 Intelligent Tiering is the better choice. But for infrequently accessed data that needs to be stored long-term, Glacier is more cost-effective. Amazon S3 Glacier offers a secure, durable, and ultra-low-cost way to store your data long-term. Explore more about Glacier's features through the link in the description. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Amazon Service of the Week episodes. See you next time!